Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an XXE lab. This is exploiting XXE using external entities to retrieve files from Portspeaker's Web Security Academy. All right, so there's a check stock that uses XML and returns any unexpected values in the response. So we're going to use that. And our goal is to get the contents of XXE password. All right, well, let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate it. Because this is the first XXE lab that we are working on, I did create my cheat sheet for this. We've got, I don't know what else to call it besides not blind. So we've got blind and not blind, but whatever. Read remote files, and this is remote to the attacker, so local to the system, perform SSRF. And then on this side, we have some techniques for out-of-band exfil, error-based exfil, and repurposing a local DTD. So this is what we'll be doing. Because of the description on the first one, I'm assuming we're just going to do something like this. So define a general entity using this external path, and then use that general entity in the XML somewhere. Or it did say error. Well, we'll see what happens. All right. So let's take a look at the check stock. We've got a response, so proxy, do I not have? There we go. Let's send this again. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and define that general entity, and then we'll throw it in one of these two to see what comes out. So we need a document. Do I have? I don't have the freaking part I need. All right, let's pull up Chrome. Dang it. It always sucks when you spend a lot of time creating the cheat sheet. The very first lab, you need more stuff. All labs, learning paths, I don't know, latest topics. We need that XXE. Where is it? Cores XXE. That's what I need, the doc type. Where? This. Okay, let's add this to here. Insert note, maybe subtopic, whatever. Maybe this should just be a floating. Dang it. Delete that, delete that. And then here we'll need to end this and end the doc type. Right? Yep, that's it. Perfect. Okay, sorry. Sidetrack. But it's good to get it correct. All right. So if let's try this out. We'll send this to repeater. Right here, we're going to define a doc type named foo. And then inside that, we're going to define a general entity named XXE. And we're going to have it read host name. Only because I don't want to solve it in right now. So I need to use it. I'm going to do ampersand XXE semicolon. That looks good to me. Let's send it. Look at that. Sweet. So this is how we're going to solve it. We just need to send a post request to product stock with an XML body. All right. Let's write. And this is a shop. Let's write our code. So we need to be in the XXE folder and exploiting XXE to retrieve files. So let me do make cd XXE and what did I call it? Exploiting XXE to retrieve files. Exploiting XXE to retrieve files.py. And we need to link ln-s utils okay, perfect. XE utils template change word shop shop okay, so we're gonna define a payload that's gonna be all triple quoted just so we can have it look pretty, and then we need to post it to product stock, which I don't think we have in our template or in our site. It'll be in shop. Let's create product URL. Let's create a function real quick. Def post. What do I want to call it? Dang it. I cannot remember anything today. I want to go here. Product stock. So post, we'll just call it post product shop. Post product shop, and we'll accept the body with no formatting. URL will equal self.base URL plus /product/stock product/stock, and then we will execute a post with that as the body. So if self.no proxy resp equals requests.post, we want the URL, data equals body. Think that's right. You'd figure I would know. Resp equals requests dot post. After doing this so many times, data equals body, proxies equals utils dot proxies, verify equals false, return, and then we'll just return the response. Well, let's give it a shot. What do we have in error? I need to fix that. I feel that 79 characters is not long enough. I like it longer. All right, so shop dot post product shop post product shop body equals pay. Oh, we just need to put in payload. Boom. That's it. And then we can do shop dot is solved. All right, our payload will be this. Well, whatever. It doesn't have to be indented. All right, except we're going to change this, change word to pass WD. And everything else looks fine. I mean, we can make it look prettier, but there's no need. Okay. Easy peasy. As long as the other thing worked, we should have this one solved. Python exploiting. And then we need the URL. You know what would be cool is if I changed it so that we use some of the HTML or the URL lib parsing. We did not solve it. And we didn't log anything, which is lame. Log.info no. Posting to product shop and point. Template, we can close that. Yeah, we don't need this. Okay, what was the, oh, that was the, whatever, the length. Okay, why didn't we solve this? Let's look at proxy and post. XML parse or size line of the process. Target matching. LL is not allowed. We definitely did something wrong. Look at raw. What's wrong with this one? Compared to this one. Maybe it's all send a repeater. Well, that stinks. Do we need to product stock? Let me try host name. So this was definitely processing instruction target matching XML is not allowed. But this one worked. Okay. So let's try, maybe it needs, whoops. Well, we doesn't need that. User agent. Oh, maybe it's the content type. See how we don't have that defined here? Content type. Dang it. Sorry about that. I'm an idiot. Okay, so we need shop headers. We'll just do allow headers. And then we'll do headers equals headers. And the same thing here. And then here we will define headers equals, it'll be a dictionary, content type, and application slash XML. I think that's right. Yep. Headers. What? Okay, so that one didn't work either. Dang, this is turning into a much longer video than I expected. Content type. So let's just copy this over. Except we want this to be host name. Let's copy this over to the one that works to make sure it's not anything in the body. Not in the body. Did I maybe misspell? Or is it refer that needs? No. Oh, I did a host name. Glad it didn't work. XML parse. Oh, maybe it's... This has an extra line. Hey, that's what it was. Dang! That sucks. Okay. Sorry. Woohoo, we solved it. Yeah. Sweet. So to recap, we saw that there was an XML request in the when we were checking stock. We checked for XXE by creating this this doc type. So this a doc type definition right here. And then we created a general entity XXE and made it externally defined in this file. And then we use that here. So general entities can be defined in the DTD and used, in the XML. Parameter entities, which we'll see in a little while, can't be used down here. XXE can't be used in a definition of another general entity. Lots of rules, but we'll probably walk through all of those as we go through. Once we got it figured out, we had to get our payload situated, and we created one new capability in the site, and that's a post to product shop, just in case there's more of these. We have it already set up. We had to define the header content type, so the application knew the content type we're sending, and our payload couldn't have an extra blank line at the beginning. That's it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.